Welcome to Section 6, Part 1 of the High Velocity IT Certification and Training Program. In this section, we are going to look at some of the practices relevant to HVIT. We begin with the business analysis practice. The purpose of this practice is to analyze part or entirety of business, define its needs, and recommend solutions to address those needs and/or solve the business problems. So it's not just about analyzing the needs itself, but also recommending solutions. The solution must facilitate value creation for stakeholders. It enables an organization to communicate its needs in a meaningful way, express the rationale for change, and to design and describe solutions that enable value creation in alignment with organizational objectives. Requirements are assessed for people, products, services, and technology. Analysis tasks may vary among organizations, such as tactical and strategic aspects of consumers' business process or information systems and technical requirements. It ensures that limited funds are spent properly via optimal solutions. This practice is evolving due to the challenges of digital organizations and their focus on agile approach, user experience, better use of data and technology, new strategies, transformation of business processes, and digital business architecture. Well, earlier this was a specialized function wherein business analysts would be involved and it will be project driven, but due to agility, this is now part of a multi-skill role and is a continual activity. It is no longer an interpreter between business and technology, but integrated. For example, in agile environments, the product owner is also a business analyst. There are two practice success factors. Number one, establishing and continually improving an organization-wide approach to business analysis to ensure that it is conducted in a consistent and effective manner. Number two, ensuring that current and future business needs are of the organization and its customers are understood, analyzed, and supported with timely, efficient, and effective solution proposals. The first one, establishing and continually improving an organization-wide approach to business analysis to ensure that it is conducted in a consistent and effective manner. Multiple models in an approach provide handling of different contexts like new products and services, changing needs, agile managed products, or legacy monolithic methods, etc. Understanding of the organization's internal and external environment is important. Business analysis is an intellectual discipline. It involves identifying and assessing information needed for investment decisions and realizing solutions to meet business objectives. Analysis models help to deal with data, decisions, processes, scopes, and states. The models support activities for gathering and communicating information and requirements, identifying and improving solution proposals. The second one ensures that the current and future business needs of the organization and its customers are understood, analyzed, and supported with timely, efficient, and effective solution proposals. Business analysis is a key step in the value stream of translating ideas into solutions. Therefore, the analysis must accurately describe current and future proposed rates and proposals. The output from business analysis are inputs for customers who expect solutions for their needs, and providers who design, develop, and deliver solutions. Stakeholders need assurance that their needs have been understood with guidance on available options, costs, benefits, and risks of each option. Therefore, a business case for the proposed solution is usually established during business analysis. All information should be verified and commitments for supporting solution implementation should be established. Understanding of emotional intelligence context is also essential in business analysis, such as emotional intelligence and service empathy, especially for end user services. Next, we move on to the relationship management practice. The purpose of this practice is to establish and nurture the links between the organization and its stakeholders at strategic and tactical levels. It includes the identification, analysis, monitoring, and continual improvement of relationships with and between stakeholders. Relationships are both internal and external. A common approach for this needs to be established as part of the organization's culture. It is important in relationship management that there are shared goals, no blame cooperation and collaboration, continuous learning to improve the relationship, open and transparent communications, conflict prevention and mediation. Identification and management of stakeholders and their needs and interests is also part of this practice. Cultural differences should also be addressed as well as other relationship factors such as commercial, non-commercial, formal, informal, group or individuals, direct or indirect, professional or personal, voluntary or compulsory, equal or hierarchical. These are the various relationship factors to be considered.